it's Lynette here. So today I'm really excited. I have this pretty little thing and it is the 12-day home advent calendar. Love the packaging. It's got such a really nice kind of feel to it as well. So my friend Tracy sent me this along with my Christmas present, and she said to me on the remote that you can open this. Now I had said to her that I could have opened it day to day, but I wasn't going to be able to film it day to day just with everything that kind of going on with work and things at the moment. So she said to me that I had permission from her to film this and to open it all at once. So I do like to try and keep some things. However, I was delighted to be able to open this. So I'm just going to show you inside. That's what it looks like. So I'll just bring the boxes out and I'll show you them rather than trying to film me bringing the boxes out. And I've just painted my nails, probably can't tell, really dull colour for me, but I do like it sometimes to be a bit boring. So day number 1, so this is, I think it's a home fragrance advent calendar, and there's day number 1 to 12, so for the 12 days of Christmas. And the first thing I pull out here is a lavender pillow mist. There we go. Packaging's lovely, isn't it? I'm just going to spray a little bit on me. I love lavender pillow mists as well, so. Oh, that smells gorgeous. I'm going to smell now like this. Oh, that's lovely. So yeah, it tells you a little bit about it on the back. Just avoid eyes and skin. Yeah. Spray on pillow or bed cover evenly and at least 20 centimetres away from the surface. Always try a small amount on a discreet fabric surface before use, and that's just in case it damages the fabric. So day number 2. Oh, it's another big one. Oh, I took away day number 2 and day number 8 drop down. So there we go, that's day number 2. I'm not going to look on the back because it does tell you on the back what is in, and making a hash of opening the doors, the packaging. I certainly couldn't pretend I hadn't opened this. Oh, this is vanilla room spray. I love room sprays as well. And vanilla's gorgeous. It's got some in the corner of my eye. Oh, that's lovely. It's not overly sweet, but it's got a really nice warm smell to it. So day number 3. I can't believe I've got that in my eye. Day number 3. I'm having to take some days out to get day number 3 out. Oh, I'm going to open day number 3. See if I could edit, I could cut to me just going day number 3. But as you know, I can't edit. Oh, so this is a candle. Scented candle. But look, it's a really unusual shape, isn't it? I really like that. I don't know what the scent is because I'm rubbish with scents. Does it tell you? No, it just tells you this contains paraffin wax and soybean wax. Yeah, but I don't know what the scent is, but it's lovely. It's not overly strong as well, but what a really unusual shape. So day number 4. Here we go here. So we've got this medium-sized box, and trying not to look at the back there, but I think I know that this is mostly going to be candles and little sprays as well, because it is a home fragrance box. So this is a little scented candle, and it's in lavender, so that does tell me at the front what the scent is. It's not overly strong, which is quite nice because Steve hates lavender, so I'll be able to burn that one because it's not too strong. What was that, day number 4? So I've got day number 5 here, so this is a thin one, so trying not to look on the back to give the game away. Oh, I just scratched my nail. Oh, I knew that was going to happen, they're still a bit wet. And this is, oh, it's a vanilla pillow mist. Now, I didn't even know they did vanilla pillow mists. So it's exactly the same, spray on your bed covers. However, I might actually be able to get away with using this when Steve is around, because he's not a fan if the pillow mists are too strong. But that smells gorgeous. Absolutely stunning. Oh, I could eat it. I could actually wear it as perfume, but I don't think that's advisable. So day number 6 is massive. It's massive. Look, it's absolutely huge. I think I can guess what's going to be in here, but only after I've like ripped the box to bits. Oh no, somebody else. Yeah. Just freshly kind of polished and it's still really soft, so hey ho, I'm going to take them off and put something else on, and never mind, it doesn't bother me. Nail polish, it's a reed diffuser, it's what I thought it might be, but it's a little lavender reed diffusers. Now I've got these all over my house, I love them. I'm going to try and smell it, because as soon as I've already knackered my nails. Oh, that's lovely, really nice. I think I might keep that one for upstairs. Nice lavender reed diffuser. We've got day number 7. It's day number 7 here. My kitchen smells amazing, by the way. And this is a little candle, and this is in vanilla. So there seems to be 2 scents so far in this calendar, lavender and vanilla. So it's a little scented candle again. Oh, it smells gorgeous. The vanilla is amazing. Oh, it smells good enough to eat, actually. So what day was that? Terrible. Day 7. So I'm looking for day 8, which is another one of these boxes. So here we go. Try to get it open. Let's see if I can guess what this is. This might be a room spray. I read it on the back. And it is, oh, it's bergamot and mandarin. So I think it's Molten Brown that do a bergamot and mandarin spray and reed diffuser that I absolutely love. So I'm chuffed to bits. Oh, that's gorgeous. That is so fresh. I love a room spray. Right, okay, room number 9, I think. I'm on number 9, yep, number 9. You'll be shouting at me if I've missed one, aren't you? So number 9 is a lovely little candle here, and it's a bergamot and mandarin, so I'm really chuffed that that's in there. I'll pop that here, and day number 10. And it's a candle. And what smell is it? What fragrance is it? And it's cinnamon. Oh, Brandon will love that. He loves cinnamon. And any kind of Christmassy candles have the cinnamon smell. They do a cinnamon scent to them, don't they? Oh, that smells lovely. It's nice and warm. Okay, day number 11. It's a little box here. And it's a little candle. And I'm not even going to try and guess what the smell is because I am terrible. Unless it tells me on the back. I'd say that one was vanilla actually. I sniffed this one as well, but I'm still not sure what that is. But that one I'd say was definitely vanilla. So last day, big box. And it's another diffuser. So let's see what smell this is. So yeah, Tracy knows how much I love smelly stuff, diffusers and candles and things like that. So I am really, really delighted with this. It was just a little extra she'd actually sent me, which I think was really kind in amongst my Christmas present. So I really was not expecting anything like this. So this is a vanilla reed diffuser. So I think it's fantastic actually. It's got everything I think you would expect to find in a home fragrance box, but I'm just going to show you what you get. So you get the 2 room sprays, which I absolutely love, the vanilla and the bergamot and mandarin. I like the fact that they're actually quite different fragrances. One's kind of warm and musky, and this one's kind of really fresh and citrusy. I said that like I knew what I was talking about, didn't I? And the 2 pillow mists, I love that there's one in vanilla. I have never heard of a vanilla pillow mist, and that smell will definitely help me sleep because it's just so lovely. And there's the lavender, which I think, you know, for a pillow mist I would expect it to be lavender, but never vanilla. So that's really unusual. So there's the 4 different candles. There's lavender, cinnamon. There is bergamot and mandarin and vanilla. So they're a really good size as well. These are these 2, and I wouldn't even say they were tea lights, because they're much bigger than tea lights in how much wax it is. I love the shape of those. I've got some nice little burners, holders, sorry, that I can pop those in. And then there's the 2, I love the different colour in the actual liquid. There's the 2 reed diffusers. So that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. I was just making sure I didn't miss anything out. Now, I just want to say a massive thank you to Tracy for sending me this. I have never seen this advent calendar before, and I don't think I've seen anybody else open a home fragrance calendar. I've seen kind of perfumey things, but this is right up my street, because perfume takes me 2 years to get through a bottle, if I get through it. But this will be used up within a couple of months, probably, the way that I go around with my diffusers and my room sprays and things. So yeah, I'm really, really delighted to try out everything in here. I might give Stephen the lavender pillow mist if he's nice, and I could let Brandon have the cinnamon candle. I suppose I could be generous, but it's all staying at my house, so I don't mind. So anyway, have you got this advent calendar? Would you actually think about purchasing this? I didn't even know it existed. As I say, the box is such a lovely box as well, and I could probably keep the box but take out, you know, recycle the boxes and keep the box to keep like face masks or products in. So I'll do that with it. But anyway, thank you for watching, guys, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye bye.